Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in Ampere Thak Phnom in the Nakhon Phanom province. And we are in front of a typical Thai noodle shop, a noodle called Goi Tiao. What that is basically, it's just like a comfort food. Huh? It's like a fast food that you can find anywhere, normally for lunch, right? Mm-hmm. But this place is called Krua Ma Nom, right? Mm-hmm. Anyway, it's a pretty new restaurant here in town, and they're supposed to have some of the best beef soup here. So what we're getting today is Goi Tiao, which is a beef noodle soup. So anyway, let's go inside and see what's on the menu. Okay, here we are. We have, this is the Goi Tiao Nia, which is a beef noodle soup. It looks good, but it smells really awesome. So what you gotta do first is, if you're traveling with the Mafias, you have to drink beer. Chonggao.
You get the Mafia.
It's nobody's birthday, but happy birthday anyway. Anyway, of course, ice has to go in the beer in Thailand too. But what we've got to do is this is a Thai chili pepper, but it's been grilled and it's not really that spicy. If you're not used to spices, then it is spicy, but it's not really that spicy compared to a fresh Thai chili pepper. So anyway. This is some fresh greens.ภาษา Thai อะไร
ผักแพรว
ผักแพรว ผักแพรว
ไทยผักแพรวอยู่ว่าภาษาลาวกับผักแพรวบ่ย้ายจังวะ
And this is a Thai basil. Some fresh bean sprouts. Let's give it a try. pretty good.
เอาเผ็ดไหม
อะไรครับ
เอาเผ็ดไหม
I
พริก
แค่อะไร
พริก
Pig bone. Hang on, let me get a good taste of the soup first before I spicing it up.
พริกขวด
This is called pig quat, and it's what it is. It's a fried chili pepper. It's they fry it in oil, and it really brings out more of the heat out of the chilies. But this is really good with soup. This is what I put on my kaptiexen every morning. You got to be careful because that is I want to say it's like twice as spicy as regular Thai chili pepper powder. Just be careful. Try a little bit of it first.
ทำหน่อยก่อนเอาน้ำอีกไหม
Now this is called luk chin. Luk chin. It's a pork ball. อร่อย
เจ๊ของกู
อร่อย Now this is just a spicy dipping sauce, nam jim, and we got some extra beef and pork ball, and we're just gonna dip it in there and eat it.
อร่อยไหม
หวานนิดหน่อย It's a little sweet. It's good.
เจ๊ของกูอย่างเดียว
อร่อย You gotta try one of these grilled Thai chili peppers. They're really good.
เผ็ดไหมเลยเผ็ดไหมนิดหน่อย
A little tiny spicy. You can just about find goi tiao anywhere in any corner of Thailand. It's everywhere in Thailand, and it's really it really is the go-to lunch food. But the most popular thing is pork. Not too many places have beef.
ยังไร
น้ำซุป
Water. So this water has pandan leaf in it, bai tơi, nam bai tơi. It's really good.
เก่งนี่แหละผมก็ได้
เก่งแบบว่า
เริ่มได้
Well, that was awesome. That was 15 US dollars, about 450 baht. And the ladies drank 2 beers. Anyway, thank you very much. Kap kona kap. Aloy mak mak kap. Kap. Bye bye. Kap kap. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button down there. Click the like. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Kap kun kap. Bye-bye.
ขอบคุณค่ะบ๊ายบาย